Welcome to the mud management tutorial by Newland Poultry. This is a simple method in order to maintain a really clean and mud-free pen for your chickens. For this tutorial, we're going to need turf protector, wood chips and U-pins. We start off by measuring out the turf protector to size and then cutting it easily with scissors. Once you have your turf protector cut to size, you want to secure it down on either side and in the middle with the U-pins. If your pen is slightly wider than this, then that will require overlapping of the turf protector. We recommend to overlap your turf protector by at least 2 inches and securely fasten them down with U-pins, ensuring that there's no way they can come up and chickens can get around and reach through them. The next step is to lay down your wood chips on top of your turf protector. During this process, try to ensure that you get a nice even coverage. And finally, to finish off this process, you want to lay down your pen on top of the turf protector and the wood chips. If you don't have the ability to lay down your pen on top of the turf protector, then we recommend neatly tidying up the turf protector around the edges of your pen and laying down the wood chips so that there's no way the chickens can get through to the bottom mud. All of the products used in this tutorial can be found in the description box. Don't forget to like and share this video and check out our channel for any other chicken related videos.